Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. We all know that feeling. You're looking to whip up a delicious meal, but chopping, prepping, or some other step feels like a chore. Well, that's where these clever machines come in. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring gadgets that can save you time and effort. So, hit that subscribe button and get ready to unlock the potential of your kitchen. Today's first product is Rapid Egg Cooker. This handy appliance allowing you to whip up a variety of breakfast favorites like omelets, poached eggs, and perfectly boiled eggs. The Rapid Egg Cooker takes the guesswork out of breakfast with its indicator light and automatic shutoff. A buzzer lets you know when your eggs are ready, and it ensures consistent, delicious results every time. No more burnt fingers. The clear lid lets you monitor the cooking process, and the dishwasher-safe trays and measuring cup make cleaning a breeze. The Rapid Egg Cooker compact size is another perk. It won't crowd your countertop, but it offers the versatility to create a range of dishes from deviled eggs to egg salad sandwiches, making it perfect for both solo breakfasts and feeding a crowd. So ditch the pan and embrace effortless egg excellence with the Rapid Egg Cooker. Our next product is stainless steel wire masher, which is a perfect tool for mashing veggies like potatoes. This versatile kitchen essential goes far beyond just spuds. The thick 4.5mm stainless steel wire head makes light work of mashing root vegetables like carrots and turnips. But functionality isn't all this masher boasts. The ergonomically designed handle ensures comfort, even when tackling large batches or tough ingredients. The well-balanced design and debossed logo add a touch of quality, while the chrome-plated bolster and stainless steel end cap lend a sleek look. No more worries about rust either, thanks to the durable, rust-resistant construction. And cleaning up is a breeze. Simply toss the wire masher in the dishwasher for a quick and easy clean. With its effectiveness, comfort, and easy maintenance, the wire masher is sure to become your go-to tool for perfectly mashed anything. Next gadget name is Classic Bottle Opener. Gone are the days of wrestling with stubborn caps and risking chipped nails. The easy open bottle opener lives up to its name, making quick work of any beverage, canned or bottled. The star of the show is the durable, razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel. It effortlessly slices through can tops, leaving a clean, smooth edge. No more jagged metal threatening your fingers. But the ease of use doesn't stop there. The large, easy-to-turn knob provides a secure grip, even with wet hands. For maximum comfort, the easy open bottle opener boasts oversized, ergonomic handles. They perfectly fit your hand, allowing for effortless turning and control, preventing any slips or accidents. Overall, the easy open bottle opener is a winner. It's simple to use, comfortable to hold, tackles cans and bottles with ease, and boasts a quality build that ensures it will be a long-lasting sidekick to your refreshing beverages. This gadget name is Classic Pizza Wheel, which has razor-sharp 430 stainless steel blades. It glides effortlessly through any crust thickness, leaving clean, even slices. Unlike a knife, the wheel's design actually presses the toppings into the crust, preventing that frustrating cheese slide. But the Classic Pizza Wheel isn't a one-trick pony. This versatile tool tackles more than just pizza. Need to portion warm waffles or slice up cold cookie dough? This wheel is up for the task, with its durable and rust-resistant construction. Safety is a priority, especially when dealing with hot pizzas. The angled wheel offers a comfortable grip and keeps your fingers far from the blade. Plus, The built-in finger guard provides an extra layer of protection from both heat and accidental nicks. Cleaning up after a pizza feast is a breeze. No more scrubbing stuck cheese off a knife. Simply toss the classic pizza wheel in the dishwasher for a hassle-free cleanup. Overall, the classic pizza wheel is a kitchen must-have. It delivers clean cuts, comfort, and safety, all at an affordable price. From pizza night to waffle brunches, this versatile tool will have you slicing like a pro. This gadget name is Lemon Zester, which is here to revolutionize your kitchen. This handy tool boasts a razor-sharp, rust-resistant blade that tackles even the toughest cheeses with ease. This compact powerhouse is a dream come true for small kitchens. It replaces a bulky box grater, electric cheese grater, and even a food processor, freeing up valuable counter and drawer space. Now, let's get cooking. Elevate your dishes to restaurant quality with the vibrant flavors of freshly zested citrus. The lemon zester removes only the zest, leaving behind the bitter white pith for a perfect flavor boost. And for cheese lovers, this grater creates a cloud of fluffy parmesan that melts like a dream over hot pasta. From shredding carrots with minimal effort to zesting citrus in seconds, the lemon zester takes the hassle out of grating and zesting. It even tackles garlic, ginger, and chocolate, making it your one-stop shop for adding delightful textures and flavors to all your culinary creations.